How do you feel about Tesla's price now, and are you still adding to your position?
Yes, well, as you know, we report our trades every day, and you will see that we have been adding to Tesla. Our confidence in Tesla has grown as we've done research on what ride sharing potentially could add. It could limit the risk significantly. It's a much more profitable business than electric vehicles. And we do think, even though I think there's some debate at Tesla whether or not they should launch a human-driven ride-hailing network, it would be a very good bridge, we think, to their autonomous strategy, and we think they will decide to do that. I don't think anyone has in their models anything for ride sharing. And then as time goes on and we learn about their artificial intelligence expertise, the 30 billion miles they've collected of real world driving data, no one comes close, not even, I think Google might be at 30 million compared to 30 billion. And we know that in the AI world, and autonomous is AI, that the company with the most data and the best quality data will win.
So why Cathie Wood is buying Tesla heavily? Today I'm going to show you just a couple things. What they did last week and the last 2 weeks, how many shares they bought, exactly what they're doing, what their cost average is, and why I'm going to say that you should pay attention to what Catherine Wood is doing and what ARK Invest is doing in terms of innovation investing, because they are right. I believe that I don't agree with everything that they have on their portfolio, and we're going to cover that, but there's companies that they are buying heavily and that form a big chunk of their portfolio that makes sense, that I have done some research that I believe in, and I think you should too. So let's jump on it. So this is a website that you can go in. It's called cathysark.com. In this website, you will find exactly how many shares of whatever stock they own, they bought, they sold, and what they're doing with it. So as you can see, I have pulled up Tesla. Okay, so folks, so look at this is February 19. This is when the market started crashing. This is when Tesla started crashing. Cathie Wood and ARK Invest decided to start buying Tesla at these prices. The price of Tesla here was 781. So just keep that number in mind, because it's gonna get better. They were selling slowly when the price of Tesla was actually not breaking up. When it was actually dropped, when it dropped here from 883 to 790, they started buying, and as it was continuously going down to the 800 mark, when it broke the 800 mark, they went in, they started buying. And when I say they went in, they were at around 2.9 million shares. And when I say that they're at 3.5, which they probably, so it's pretty much they added up like 500,000 shares, which is a lot with whatever they had. Look at this. They've been buying at 780, 690, 675, 650, 620, and then the last purchase they made on Friday at 597. Okay, I ended up buying some shares when it hit 540. Okay, obviously I'm not a hedge fund and an investment fund, but I decided to buy because I think this is a great opportunity. Now, what they're doing in here, it's a predicament of what they have. So they already own 10% of Tesla. Their rule of thumb is pretty much don't go more than 10, but I really think 10% is a lot. But because look at it, it's like $2 billion in Tesla. These people own 3.566 million dollar shares of Tesla. And if you look at the top 10 shares that they have Square, they have Roku, they have Teladoc, Baidu, Zillow, Spotify, Shopify, Zoom, and CRISPR. I have everything except CRISPR, Baidu, and Teladoc. I own Shopify, Spotify, Zillow, Roku, and Square. They obviously are not 6% or 5% of my portfolio, but look at what they're doing. Look at what they're buying, and you're probably going to make money in the long run. How much have they bought in Tesla? you can come in here, you can go to Tesla, okay, you can go to trades, and you can find Tesla. And then you can exactly see what they bought since February 17 all the way to March 5. If you go to this website, you will find all this information. It tells you, it's very open. Like, this is one of the things that the market has right now, that it's very honest. It keeps these doors open that were not available for people before, and now they are. So they actually show you what they have done, what they have bought, what they have sold, and this helps you maybe follow their trend. It probably helps you understand a little more what they're actually investing in, and it should keep it honest. So look at it, it's exactly what I said. February 17, 19, 22, 23, and March 5th, they've been adding. They added little by little. What are they doing? They're averaging in. These people are averaging in. This is exactly what they're doing. When you see this crossing of the price down and the actual shares that they have crossing, that means that the company, ARK Invest, is extremely bullish on Tesla. And you should do it. You should be bullish too, because this is a clear indicator. She's been right with innovation. So I think, and you got to do your research, you take your own decisions, you decide what to do, and you are responsible of your financial decisions. But if I have to bet this one here, I guess I'm just gonna follow what Kathy Wood and ARK Invest is doing. These people are generating models that are very accurate and that have everything in it. They are thinking on the car business, they're thinking on the autonomous driving, they're thinking on the robo-taxi business, they're thinking on the solar, the battery, they're thinking on the everything, the electric industry as a whole, the energy industry as a whole. And these are the first ones to be in the market, and I'm going to continue to look in Tesla. This is one of the stocks that I have pretty much like 45% of my portfolio is in Tesla, and I trust them for the long run. If you are not a long-term investor, stay out of the kitchen. Don't come in, because you're probably gonna end up losing money. If you believe in this company on the long run, you should be buying, averaging in. You should consistently keep adding up to your position. Be careful with how much you add. Make sure that you balance and you can tolerate risk, that you can tolerate if the market drops, but be careful, be smart, and then again, be patient and invest the money in the companies that you trust the most. See you later.